Okay, so before we move on, let's took another important topic here, and that is comments in the Python. So what is comments? So comments are used for explaining code. It is for, that why factor, why you do something. It is for ourselves when we create program, when we write code. We use Python when we create function or variable, why we do something, right? It is for explaining that thing. If you start working as a developer, and if you work in a team, so if you're working in a team, comments are very useful. When one developer are working on some code and he or she write comments there, so other developer, when while reading, can understand, okay, this function is for this purpose, or this statement, if else statement, are for this purpose, right? So comments are basically for explaining code and all that stuff. Let's understand practically, then you can understand more. Let's create a variable, and I just print it. Okay, so I can write comment here, something like this, with this hash symbol in Python, or I can also use this control and forward slash, and then I am creating a variable. So this is just, I'm explaining here that, okay, I'm creating this variable, and here I can write another comment here. I am printing this very, right? And if I run this program, so comments are basically ignored by the Python interpreter, right? Whatever you write as a comment with this hash symbol as a comment, right, it will be going to ignore by the Python interpreter. It will not consider that comment as a part of your program while running your code. Okay, so this is basically comment. You can write comments. uh, this is another comment, right? So you can put comment wherever you can, if wherever you need to, in fact, sorry, wherever you need to put comment, where you find, when you feel that you need to explain this thing why you are doing it, you can put comment over there as well. You can also, you create this comment like this. This is called docstring, and I can create multi-line comment like this. We have seen in the string that we can create this multi-line string like this. So if we assign to any variable this multi-line string, now this is a string, but if it not assigned to any variable, unassigned multi-line string is just a doc string. It's like a comment. Python interpreter going to ignore that, right? You can use that in function or any other thing. Yeah, so that's basically it. It's not much for theory. We'll see in our program while we do some stuff, and we write comments so that you can understand more practically, wherever, when we should put comments, what kind of comments we should write, and all that stuff. So don't worry. Thank you for watching.